reopen ang church after pandemic. And during Robinsons, I was 6 to 7, ubuo, Sunday school goer lang ko, and Sunday school goer mo po Japon after, pag na-reopen siya po ng church, Sunday school goer lang po, like, consumer lang kung sa family naman, every one of us. Not until si Tita Syra na-invite yung mom ko, na ma-join ka sa YA, Young Adults. And that din na-change ang trajectory of faith and renewal of the mind na affected sa aming family kaya na-influence ka. And unknowingly, sa end ko, may mga dance auditions around the corner. And kada-dance ko, napa-audition ko ni Mama, even though yung gusto. Grabe big ko, I get out to it. Very shy ko, lazy again, to my self-confidence. Pero kay Mama ko siya,
wala ka choice. Kay Mama mo sa Jebs ka, wala ka choice.
Say yes na lang ko. Pero very thankful kid ko na I said yes. Pag-audition ko, kaya directly na start ang journey.
Amen.
Thank you, Mama. and after mga few weeks after some audition, may some BIF, which is Baptism in Fire. And then after during BIF, damo di ko man na-learn. I was closer to church, kaya very shy boy, kept to myself a lot. And I also made new friendships, si Raisha, si Hannah, si Happy, and other people. Na I didn't expect that I thought I wouldn't make any friends, kaya very introverted. And during BIF also, I learned a lot of new things, not only characters sa Bible, pero mga stories as well, mga testimonies and preachings ni Pastor. I really thank Pastor for that. And after some BIF, that's when doon may na-change sa ako, like doon may seed na planted. And I began taking care of the seed by serving in church, sige, spread ko bala, and I also became a lot closer sa church ko. And not only na-change ko sa church ko, pero also in school, my friend na keyboard gets sila kaya like, mukha ba na, I thought you talked about that, I thought you like this, pero I'm not that anymore. Kaya
Amen.
God changed me.
Amen.
Pero I took comfort. Whenever I had like problems, I ran to the world for comfort. Pero after BIF, I realized I'm very wrong and
Okay. Alright. Marcos, tissue please.
Importante mo. Ang bayo.
And even though sige dalaga was called for comfort, I went to Jesus and I really gave my heart, my problems, and my worries to Jesus. And I really think na kaya makugit because big impact his life ko. And pag Sunday, may surprise ko. And after some BF, i-change din ko. And last month, kadili ko, naging ko, very happy ko. And I became closer and mas, naging ko extrovert din natin ko sa church. Ang summary